What up to all my FAL clan members? You know it's been coming back. I done let you know. Albino, you see it. You see it, dog. You see it. Got the clan tag on the motherfucking AK, dog. This is the official FAL gun. So Treyarch and Infinity Ward, bring back the motherfucking AK pistol, please. 74, but you see it, dog. Clan tag official, son. Clan tag official, son. FAL, baby. Find another lobby, suckers. Just gotta show my boys what's up. Told you I was gonna do it. It's Rob Bloodbath. Alright, baby.